If you chaps can remember, last year I received a dash cam free of charge from a company, and I was really impressed with it. I was impressed for the picture quality, and I was also impressed that in Canada it would cope with the cold temperatures. Great. So why don't I still use it? Well, because it was so heavy on my mirror. The little pivot ball kept dropping down, you know, for adjusting, it kept working down. And eventually it was so heavy, it actually pulled my whole mirror off my windshield screen, whatever you want to call it. So I was give it up. I give it away actually. But the thing was, I was interested in a dash cam, and lo and behold, the other day in my email I got a message from this company here with this little dash cam here. Now obviously it's not made for going on a mirror, but it could be quite good. It sticks onto your windscreen, and also it comes apparently with a rear view camera, very much the same, all linked together. So going off the side, I haven't opened the box yet, so it says here dual 4K 1080, so I presume looking off the website it's 4K for the front camera and 1080 for the back. That's very good quality. GPS tracking, 3.18 touchscreen, 5.8G Wi-Fi and app control. I'm not sure what that actually means. Can I access that through my Wi-Fi from inside the house? I don't know. Here it says 4K front only, super night vision. This is an upgrade on the regular night vision, super night vision. Front 170 degree angle of vision, rear 150. Now I was blown away that the angle of view on the rear view mirror on the old one. So let's see how this is better. And it's got a free 64GB card in it. Now the other one didn't come with anything, I had to buy one separately from Amazon. So, as we always say, what's in the box? Angelos. Let's get it open. Let's hope phone doesn't go again. Last time I was doing this, pretty funny. Right, how does this come out? Oh, let's see, I see. It's like Christmas, isn't it? Right, so what have we got? We've got ooh, look at this, we've got a proper user manual. All languages, Italian, French, German. That's nice. Usually it's just a folded piece of paper. Nice touch, I'm impressed. And a business card. Scan with Amazon Shopping or Transparency app to learn more. Download the Transparency. What's this here? Dash cam capture every detail with ease. That's what I need. Now it's got some little things here. I'm not sure what they are. I suppose I better read the instructions. But this looks like what it's nicely packed. I must admit the Chinese stuff now is coming so much better. So much better. So we've got an adapter here, power supply should I say, to go into your cigarette lighter or whatever. We've got here another lead. Oh, this is the rear view camera. Oh my, isn't that small? Look at that. It's got a protective lens on there, and it's got some like that 3M sticky stuff on there. But this is all self-contained. Now this is a lot better than I had before. I don't think it works as a reversing camera, but we shall find out. It's got a little spatula type thing. Oh, what's this here? Oh, it's some more sticky. It's got a little spatula to open your headline in, to get your wires in. Some little 3M adhesive sticky, what do we call them? Clips. Let's open them and see what the clips look like. Oh, they're nice. I've never seen those before. Look at those. Little cable clips with a bit of sticky on. Oh, I wish I could buy some more of those. That was really nice. Some spare self-adhesive pads. And this must be the bad boy. Now, Now we're talking. This is a dash cam for me. But I haven't even opened it yet. Look at the size of that. I was going to say sausage. Look at the size of that. That's more like it. Wow. What's it do? How does it work? Oh, it's a touch screen apparently. So the memory card's already in it. Type C, AV, audio, video. Wow. Gee, I don't know what that does. It's got protective covers on it. I usually like to leave the protective covers on everything, apart from the one on the lens, that is. I'll tell you what, seeing it's Sunday, seeing it's a holiday, let's go and get it fitted, see what it's like. So this is 3 weeks later. I've held back because I wanted to make sure this was a good product to tell you about, and it really is. I was kind of impressed. It takes some really cracking pictures. I got the key in the ignition at the moment, and so the camera's on. But that's the sort of quality of picture you're getting because it connects by Wi-Fi. It's really easy to use. It has to be for me. Automatically connects. What you can do is you can download your images onto your phone because the app's all inclusive, if you see what I mean. You go onto the website, which is mentioned in the little handbook here, download the app, program it up, and it works fine. I've had quite a few dash cams in my time, but this one really is easy to install, and it's a really good picture quality. Now I'm just going to superimpose the picture now of when I was driving downtown, and you can see the quality is really good, and the quality from the back camera, although it's a 1080, is still pretty top notch. The front camera is 4K and it records sound as well, not just images, and it can find out your GPS position, and I think also in the software that you can download from another company, you can track your car on a map where you've been. I didn't download that one because I only usually go to the supermarket and back, or the post office, so that wasn't really for me, but there's lots of potential. Now in the old days when you used to take a memory card out and then run upstairs and put it into your computer to find out the film, or whichever ones they are, you know, like you want to play back, well in this it will download all the images front and back onto your phone. Then you have a possibility of keeping them. You can see there's hundreds of them because it records every minute. It's re-recording. Clever, isn't it? I really like it. So there's the camera installed. Looks pretty good. I've just got it just below the level for my rear view mirror, and it's not all that big. And like I say, it's a touch screen.
Stop recording.
Yeah, you see, tell it to stop recording.
Start recording.
There you go, you see. There's all sorts of stuff. I'm very impressed. The rear camera is even smaller still, but because you can link it to your Wi-Fi, there actually is no need to take the memory card out. There's no need at all. Works great.